Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about reports format. In this video, we learn tabular, summary and matrix report. If you want to learn more about reports and dashboard, so please watch all video of this playlist. Let's start. Go to reports. After that, new reports. Here I am select report type account and start report. All accounts. Here I am select all time created date, refresh. Here I am simply run this report. Here we can see this is the tabular format report. After that I am simply add filter here, filter for rating field, rating not equal to blank. After that apply and run. It removes the blank rating. Here we can see in tabular report, we can see here add chart option is not available. Now I am convert this tabular report to summary report. Here I am simply in outline, group row is rating. Here I am select groups row rating. After that run. Now we can see here data is summarized. Here it contain hot, warm and cold, and total is 18 record. So data is summarized, and here we can see now add chart option is available. We can also here we can also add chart here by using this option add chart. Simply click on this add chart option. So here we can see we can add chart here. Now here I'm add group column is type. Now I'm add here group columns type. After that run. Now we can see here data is in matrix format. Here I'm simply remove this. Here total is 18 records, hot contain 11 records, warm contain 3 records and cold contain 4 records. In this way we can create three types of report: tabular, summarize and matrix report. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.